The ultimate beginner guide to investing and trading Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies. The world of cryptocurrencies, digital assets, blockchains, and more especially Bitcoin has introduced a new dynamic to the work of online day trading and investing. For experienced traders and investors in financial markets, they have been able to transitions their knowledge of how markets behave and capitalize on their experience in new environment. However, the novelty of Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies attracted the attention of people from all different backgrounds. Whether it be people with software engineering backgrounds, technology enthusiasts, privacy advocates, and forward looking individuals, many of them struggle to grasp the concept of trading and investing in Bitcoin. What many new Bitcoin investors and traders overlooking that there is a difference between the underlying technology and ecosystem with power Bitcoin and the marketplace, which drives the price through supply and demand. Although it is important and fortunately knowing how blockchains, ladders function, how to mine various cryptocurrencies or how wallets works is not relevant to becoming a successful Bitcoin investor. In this complete guide to investing and trading Bitcoin and cryptocurrency, we will begin with the very basic of how to trade and invest. The guide will start by distracting what money is then. It will cover how financial markets work and then move to different factors that influence the price of Bitcoin at any given time. If you stick with us until the end of its guides, we shall cover the difference between trading and investing and ultimately describe different types of Bitcoin investment strategies and introduced of money and monetary policy. According to an economist, money is a very financial record that is widely accepted as a medium of exchange, a unit of account and a store of value. There is additional qualities that are expected of money too, which are to be portable, durable, divisible, and functionality, which essentially contribute towards ensuring the primary function are fulfilled. In our mind, we anchor until unit of money to the cost of various products and services that we pay for. Most of us know how much a can of Coca-Cola in our domestic currencies. Thanks a lot.